Hi everybody, Joe for JaspysCaseBreaks.com here with 2024 Topps Tier 1 Baseball 3-box. Random team number 4, one spot gets you 2. Final 3 boxes of the case that we popped open the other week. Big thanks to this group for making it happen. Let's double you up. Double up. And all 30 teams are in. Let's roll it. Let's randomize names and teams. 4 and a 5. 9 times each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Dallas Star scored again on my Kings. Got Eugene down to David. And then 4 and a 5, 9 times for the baseball teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9th and final time. After 9, we got the San Francisco Baseball Giants all the way down to the Kansas City Royals. All right, Eugene with the Giants, Justin Cubs, Rockies, Guardians, Blue Jays, Rex with the Reds, Jason with the Diamondbacks, David with the Astros, Twins, Mets, and Angels, Jeremy with the Braves, Kyle with the Rangers, Justin with my Dodgers and the Red Sox and the Marlins, Eugene with the Pirates, Justin with the Orioles, Jeremy with the Yankees, David with the Rays, Kyle with the A's, Justin with the Mariners, Jeremy with the Tigers, Rex with the Brew Crew, Jeremy with the Cardinals, Justin with the Nats, David with the Padres and Phillies, Jason K with the White Sox, and David with the Kansas City Royals. It's alphabetized by team. We're going to pause the video for the trade window just for a little bit. When we come back, we'll see if there's any trades. Then we'll have the break. Stick around. Be right back. All right, welcome back, everybody. TWC, trade window closed. The list remains the same here on Wednesday the 4th. Thanks for getting this Tier 1 done, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, Rex is like, hey, listen, I got 2 NL Central teams that are not his Cubs. So if that's going to be the case, why not? Why not take an Ellie De La Cruz? All right, good luck, everybody. Thanks for the fill. A lot of Bowman Draft on the website. Brand new release if you want to keep going on baseball. Right, let's see what we got here. That's the auto, so this must be the base card. We'll use this other card here. The slow play that hits a little bit. There's Trey Turner for the fills. That'll be for David. Here is a dual relic. Derek Jeter, Don Mattingly. Nice. 49 out of 149. Piece of the lumber, piece of the jersey. Game used. Dual Yankee relic for Jeremy and the Yankees. And it's a dual relic and autograph. 27 out of 75, Henry Davis. 2-color dual relic and auto for the Pirates. Eugene with the former #1 overall pick, I believe. And the other auto is Max Fried. 57 out of 99. He's a free agent, right? Let's see where he ends up. This is still Braves edition going to Jeremy. All right, next box. All right, I think we got a bonus hit in here. Nice. All right, here's Stan the Man Musial. 5 out of 99. Cardinals. It's going to be for Jeremy. Here is a Yuri Perez dual relic, 10 out of 49. It's going to go to Justin and the Fish, Last Spot Mojo. Should be the relic, another dual relic, Tony Gwynn. 25 out of 25. Legends dual relic. Game used memorabilia. That's going to go to David and the Padres. Next two should be autos. We've got Sal Frelick, 003 out of 249. Rookie auto for Rex and the Brew Crew. And the other auto is Orelvis Basabe, 24 out of 25. And that will be for David and the Rays. It's got some red ink on that auto. Final box coming up. All right, here's Yandy Diaz, 25 out of 75 for the Rays. David M. Got a relic, Jose Ramirez, 192 out of 199. Justin with the Guardians. Cleveland, this is for you. Here is a Jeff McNeil jersey and autograph, 36 out of 75 for the Mets. Will the Mets win the Juan Soto sweepstakes? Justin with the Mets. And the final one is, it's Kenny Lofton. 59 out of 149. Tier 1 talent on-card auto for Justin Lane. Cleveland, this is for you. And that's all she wrote, ladies and gentlemen. Tier 1 Baseball 2024 edition in the books. Thanks, everybody, for watching and breaking with me. I'm Joe. I'll see you next time for the next baseball break. Bye-bye.